looks like it's gonna be intense.
Say what?
This looks intense.
Let's see it. Damn. Like a stick of TNT.
It does.
Alright. Come on. Oh, fuck. Damn, dude.
God damn.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa.
Oh, shit. My ears are ringing, dude.
Mine are too. My God.
I didn't know it was going to come this way, and then when it shot at me, I'm glad I jumped out of the way.
My God.
Let's see what's left. Oh, fuck.
I was scared there.
There's the stick. Okay, now you know which side to shoot it from. The side that's plugged is the side where it goes away. So you should shoot it that way. Look, the wrapper came off too.
Let's try it again.
Alright, one more and then I gotta go up. Make sure you shoot it the right way though this time. Last thing we need to do is have it go under a car and do that.
Yeah. Yep, just point it.
So,
This
side is where it shoots out. Oh, so you know what you should do is you should like stick it down and light it. So it's like this, so it shoots straight up. That's probably what it's supposed to do.
Let's go over here.
So use a rock. Watch it. Yeah. So put it like between the rocks or something so it shoots straight up. Don't light it until I get away so I can hold the camera on it. Yeah, something like that. But put some rocks around it so it stays straight up. God, we're idiots that we didn't notice that. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Go ahead. Shit, cars are coming. Quick. There you go. That's how we're supposed to do it. Yeah, that shit coming at us was not good, dude. It's still falling down. Look at that. Piece is falling down. I don't know if I can get it on the camera.
That was scary the first time.
Dude, I was freaking! Seriously, dude. I mean, where the hell is it that even shot over here? This piece over there.
That hurt my ears.
Me too. I mean, that just shot right at me. What do you want? Hey, do one more.
Alright.
Last one, seriously, I gotta go in. You know, that first one we gotta throw on YouTube.
I gotta see that one.
Ja. Schau mal. Run, baby! Forrest! Run, Forrest! Bomb pop. Only one!
God.
That sucked. The second one sucked. Yeah, well. Alright, I'm going in.
Look at that. Look at that.
What?
The ring.
Oh!
That was so cool.
I can get the cloud. I couldn't get the ring, I don't think. Alright, I gotta run up.
Okay.
Hello! Hi! Alright, let's go.
Fun.
Yeah.